Hi, I'm Revel Boulon from Charles Taylor Adjusting, and you're watching Fridays at Foster's. Enjoy.
Greetings, boaters of the world. Welcome to Fridays at Foster. I'm your host, Fred Parrish, and I don't know how, but I've been here at Foster for over 9 years. Wait, I do know how. I'm great at what I do. Look at my work. Bam! Juan may disagree, but I basically run this joint.
Hey Juan, get off your phone. Get to work.
Get off your phone.
Get to work.
I am
That's
working.
just a little too clean.
4 o'clock, I'm off work. So let's hop into this week. Monday, we started off by receiving our 31-foot Sundancer, which we will be installing a hydraulic lift on the arch to allow the boat to pass safely under bridges and also be stored easily.
Go in the engine room and see where we can mount the motor and run the lines. The reservoir and the motor go inside the engine room, and then we run two lines, the exact same length both. All four have to be the exact same length, so you have even hydraulic fluid. It is a lot of fun.
Party.
While on the other side of the yard, we are beginning to prepare a 112-foot Westport for a complete teat replacement and anti-foul. Tuesday, we removed the corroded fuel tank off a 31-foot Mako. This shouldn't happen, but it does quite often. The reason is because salt water has somehow found its way into the boat. In this particular case, the salt water came from holes in the deck. After removing the tank, we found that the core installation was also poorly installed, leaving it to look like this, which is bad. So we started by removing and cleaning the old core to prepare the area for a new tank. You can see from the fuel tank lid where the last company drilled the holes that caused this problem in the first place. Wednesday, we started welding our doubler plate on the keel of our steel sailboat. This will ensure that they won't run the risk of water intrusion again. Thursday, we had all kind of sanding and fairing going on, which is a bit much to explain, so I'm gonna let the past Fred explain it.
Well, what's going on, Fred? Here we go. I'm gonna be doing some sanding, taking down the bottom paint that's old and chipping. We're gonna hit it with the straight edge sander. Make sure we get all the loose paint off. As you can see, I already had them started, getting all the way down to the gel coat.
Thanks, Fred. What a handsome guy. And that brings us to Friday. We're performing an infusion on our catamaran that ran aground. The typical process for this is we first apply dry fiberglass to the affected area. Then we create a vacuum seal around the keel to avoid any air pockets. And finally, we begin pumping in a special epoxy mix that will soak into the fiberglass to harden it and complete the application, which looks like this. So overall, this week has been fun, as it always is. Here at Foster, we expect extraordinary, and I wanted to end this episode by explaining what that mission means. You've seen this episode and many episodes before. Most of our work is correcting poor quality jobs delivered by other companies. Boating is an investment of time, resources, and attention to details. So making a small mistake, such as improperly drilling a hole, can have catastrophic results. At Foster's, we perform every yacht service under the sun, from anti-fouling to hull extensions to prop speed and more. We do it all. Our staff is trained from the very beginning to avoid mistakes, but more importantly, to prevent catastrophes. So if you or someone you know wants to keep their yacht floating, you know who to call. So I'll see you next Friday at Foster's.